Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about a secure and trusted mechanism for industrial IoT network using blockchain. So we have to store industrial IoT network data using blockchain because blockchain is very secure and trusted one. Okay. Overview of the project, that is abstract. Blockchain, high capable and powerful IoT technology. Blockchain is a database used for decentralized transaction purpose. It provides novel directions to store and manage data, whereas IoT relates to the propagation of linked machines by providing information through the internet. A mixture of blockchain and IoT appears hopeful, even though blockchain requires real-time data application and IoT describes processes to store and manage information overload safely and proficiently. The technology is significant to the manufacturing business experiencing a digital revolution by incorporating equipments, developments and data, leading to the industrial IoT. From a security perspective, network anomaly attackers, high security risks IoT. We use high security purpose for using encryption and decryption for blockchain validation process. Next, the proposed approach is developing machine learning approach to detecting industrial network attack and enhance the performance. Okay, we have to store industrial IoT network data using blockchain technology because this is very powerful and high capable technology. We have to use high security purpose to encryption and decryption algorithm, and proposed approach is to use machine learning algorithm to detect attack or not and enhancing the performance. Okay, next flow diagram. This is our project flow. Start, select and load dataset, blockchain, encryption, data pre-processing, data splitting, classification and then prediction. First, start our program. Next, select and load industrial network dataset. Next, blockchain. Blockchain is used to store data to secure, highly secured purpose to use cryptography, that is encryption and decryption process. Next, block will be validating the data set. After data pre-processing is clean the data set, checking null values. Any null values are there, replace with 0 values. Next, label encoding, categorical values to changing numerical values. Data splitting, our data is splitted into training and testing data. Next, classification. Classification is algorithm implementation. This is our machine learning algorithm, decision tree classifier. Next, prediction. Prediction is like given data is attack or not. Next, performance analysis. Okay, next, output explanation. First, select and load industrial IoT data. Next, we have to store blockchain for security purpose using cryptography, encryption and decryption process used to store the blockchain. The blockchain is checking the validation process. Next, pre-processing. Data pre-processing is cleaning the data set and checking null values. Any null values are there, replace with 0 values. Next, remove unwanted column. Any unwanted column are there, removing process. Next, label encoding. Label encoding is changing categorical values to numerical values. Next, data splitting. Next, data splitting. Our data is split into X label dataset and Y label dataset. This is our target setting purpose. Next, data splitting is our data is split into training and testing data. Next, algorithm implementation. Using machine learning algorithm decision tree classifier, accuracy is 95%. Next, classification report. This is prediction, recall, FN score and support. Confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is based on true, false, positive, negative values. Okay, 0 and 1 indicating anomaly or not. Next, prediction status. The given data is anomaly or not.